Hi guys, we've got a load of dark to do today. It's mostly just pyjamas and t-shirts and a couple of pairs of chinos and some shorts and bits and pieces, so not a particularly big load. I'm going to use 2 Almac colour tablets and some Comfort Blue Skies. Sorry Matt, I know you hate it, but I've got to use it up, so get over it. Just don't come near me until I've washed these again. I know you don't like the smell. Okay. I have turned the chinos inside out, by the way, before anybody says anything. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down a minute, guys, because I can't open this packet with one hand. I'm good, but I'm not that good. Oh god, these things are really crumbly. So I can barely open them with one hand, never mind 2. Right. Okay. So the Almac tablets are pretty crumbly, as you can tell. They've broken up just from being in the packet, but never mind. I'm very stingy with the fabric softener. I don't see the point in using loads of it, especially when it's quite a thick consistency like this is. So I do get as much out of it as I can. Probably going to use minimum iron because it's not a particularly big load. There's nothing particularly dirty in there. And Watt Plus. That'll do. We use short as well, 1 hour and 10 minutes, I think that's fine for that load. Shove the basket out the way. Oh, there we go. The great thing about the Almac tablets being pretty crumbly is that they do break down pretty well as soon as they get wet. And unlike the Bio, they don't foam up at all, really. It's quite the reverse. It tends to form a sort of paste on top of the water, really, more than anything else. More minimum iron 40 degrees, because I don't do washing at 30. Because it's vile. Oh goody, there's a nice shot of my underwear there. Sorry about that, guys, I'm not normally one to get me knickers out on YouTube. No comments please, John, thank you very much. Don't have the greatest water pressure in the world in this house. As you can see, guys, there are virtually no suds going on in there at all. But I assure you these tablets do wash really well. I've been using these for quite a long time now. This is the, I think, third or fourth box I've had, and they're great. Down to 1 hour 5. I'm actually going to select rinse hold for this one. Purely because when it gets to the end of the wash, the minimum iron cycle does a very short 1200 spin, so I can just whack the machine on a full 1300 spin at the end of the cycle. There's those boxes again. So here we go with the proper minimum iron tumbles now. I normally have a lot more darks to wash than this, but I've actually been off work all week, so I don't have work trousers and shirts and things to wash. Thankfully. We're getting quite a lot of water in this wash. You can see the water levels coming right up to the bottom of the drum. Not that that's a bad thing at all. .7 minutes. So the tumbles on this cycle aren't as long or as vigorous as the cotton cycles. But if you've got a smaller load like this, then it's really great. And it's still better than Indisit's wimpy cottons tumbles, which I am glad to see on their recent machines they have actually done something about. Hurrah! So lots of improvements from Indisit recently. And Beko. Just need to get Candy to jump on board now. Sorry guys, I'm not very steady with this camera. Alright folks, I'm probably going to leave it there. Get out of the way. That's really all that there is to see on this, on the main wash, on the minimum iron cycle. But I'll try and get some videos of the rinses and the rinse hold for you if I can. So watch this space, there'll be some videos to follow.